In a terrifying moment, this dog slips and falls into the canal. His owner, unable to swim, watches in horror. Seeing the struggle, a woman doesn't hesitate and jumps in. She is a good swimmer, but it is harder than expected. The panicked dog is too much for her alone. Then, a second hero emerges. He strips off his gear and dives into the fray. With their combined strength, they make the rescue. Pushing the dog forward, they swim close to the canal wall. The man supports the dog from behind, while the woman guides from the front. They grab hold of a rope, using it to steady themselves and their precious cargo. A true team effort ends in the best way possible, a relieved pup, safe in his owner's arms.